Now that we've learned how to sketch a parabola, let's learn how to find the equation of one. So, to find the equation of a parabola, we need a few things. So generally, we need this. We need the asymptote, right? We need the asymptote, and we need 1 point. And what do? We write down our equation, our standard form. Y is equal to a over x plus q. Whatever our asymptote value is, that just goes for q. So in this case, our asymptote is at y is equal to 4. So we're going to take our function y is equal to a over x, and instead of q, we're going to put plus 4. And then we take our point. So in this case, our point is negative 3 and 3. This is an x and a y coordinate, so it's gonna be 3 is equal to a over negative 3 plus 4. And then you solve for your variable a. So we can move our 4 across, which will become negative 4. So 3 minus 4. So this is gonna give us negative 1 equals to a over negative 3. This is over 1. And then you can cross multiply. Negative 1 times negative 3 is 3, and a. So a is equal to 3. Once you have that value for a, it's gonna go over here, and you'll rewrite that as y is equal to 3 over x plus 4. So recap, you need this equation, an asymptote, and 1 point. You take this equation, you put in your asymptote. You got this. From this equation, you bring 1 point in, substitute for x and y as we see here, and then we solve for a. Once you've solved for a, you take that back over here into a, and this will be your equation after you take a and write it in. Right? Let's try that one more time. So how do we begin? Well, we got y is equal to a over x plus q. Gonna take our value for q and bring it in. So y is equal to a over x plus 3. What do we do next? We take our coordinates. So this is an x-intercept, so it's 3 and 0. Alright, so we take our coordinates and bring it in. So if you're bringing in 3 and 0, we remember that this is x and this is y. So 0 is equal to a over 3 plus 3. You move your 3 across to the other side. A over 3 is equal to negative 3 over 1. You go ahead and cross multiply. So negative 9 is equal to a. At this point, you can take this in for our a value and write down our new equation as y is equal to negative 9 over a plus 3. Sorry, negative 9 over x plus 3. Did I write a in the previous one? No, I never. Alright. How do you know your equation is correct? Here's a hint that this is a positive. Our equation is in the first and third. This is a negative, and our graph is in the second and fourth. So that is correct. So finding the equation is straightforward. You just gotta sub in for q, sub in for x and y, and solve for a. Use that a to get your final equation.